Hi everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Chakra Healing Mandala meditation series too. Today we continue our root chakra healing journey, and that's Muladhara, which is your foundation for your sense of safety and your connection to life itself. As I create this mandala, allow your body to soften, your mind to settle, and your spirit to be fully supported. Breathe gently, watch the dots taking shape, and allow yourself to receive the grounding energy of this moment. Take a long breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body fully supported by the earth, your feet connecting firmly with the ground. Imagine drawing warm protective energy from the earth with each inhale. With each exhale, let go of tension, fear, and doubt. Feel your body soften, relax, and sink deep into the safe, nurturing energy. You are grounded, you are safe, you are held. Bring your awareness now to the base of your spine, that's root chakra. Visualize a glowing red sphere, warm, comforting, and with lot of life. With each inhale, see it brighten and expand. And with each exhale, feel it spreading through your legs, feet, and deep into the earth. Imagine your feet sending long, strong roots deep into the earth. These roots grow thicker and sturdier with every heartbeat of yours, anchoring you fully. Feel the solid support of earth beneath you, holding you safely. As I place each dot and stroke in this mandala, envision the red light radiating outward, forming a gentle protective layer around your entire being. Each dot or swipes represents strength, stability, and calm, reinforcing the safety that is surrounding you. Scan your body slowly from top to toe. Notice for any tension, heaviness, or worry. As you breathe out, imagine it melting away like a soft wax, absorbed by the earth and transformed into warmth, support, and grounding energy. Picture yourself as a majestic tree, grounded tree, deeply rooted and resilient. Your trunk is firm, your branches sway gently, and your leaves rustles with calm energy. The roots, that's your connection to earth, is just unbreakable. Feel the red energy swirling at your root chakra, pulsating gently, and this energy calms your emotions, calms your thoughts, and harmonizes your spirit. With each breath, you draw in a lot of strength, courage, and serenity, and with each exhale, you let go of fear, doubt, or tension. Now imagine your physical body's energy is gently blending with Earth's energy, a rhythmic exchange of nourishment and a lot of support. Every dot mandala enhances this connection. Each circle is actually a reminder that you are protected, supported, nourished, and grounded. Notice your lower body glowing with warm, red energy filling your hips, legs, and feet. Feel it softening your mind, calming your emotions, and reinforcing your sense of safety. Allow your mind to drift softly with the mandala's formation. Let every dot, every swipe, every pattern reflect stability, security, and strength for your entire being. Thoughts may come and go. Let them float past like gentle clouds, returning your focus to the glow of red light and your grounding breath. Take a few moments now to sink fully into this energy, letting it get into every cell, every emotion, and every thought of yours. You are rooted, you are secure, you are fully supported by life. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat mentally or you can say it out loud. I am strong, stable, and grounded. I release all the fear and tension. I am deeply supported by the earth. I am safe in every moment. I trust my foundation and my journey. Now repeat these affirmations softly as many times as you can. And when you repeat the affirmations, feel the calming, protective energy flowing through your root chakra and your entire body. Take a long, deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the grounding energy of your root chakra carrying you forward, filling you with strength, stability, and serenity. And I would love to hear how this meditation made you feel. Share your experience in the comments below. You may bring a lot of comfort to the others.